unboxing a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Here we go. Right. Try to get this thing open here. Here. Oh my goodness. Dude! Dingbat! Come over here. Check this out.
Ooh,
Oh!
I love boxes.
What? Other stuff.
Oh.
Oh, it gave me a. Oh, it gave me a screen protector. It gave me a built-in screen protector.
Nice.
And now here's other stuff. Other stuff. Cable, power brick. You don't get many of those these days. Already pull this out. I don't even know if this is the Note 10 Plus. It's not, but look. Oh my goodness, look at that finish! Dude! This isn't the Note 10 Plus, but look. Oh, it's perfect. This is the best phone size I've ever bought. Look at this finish!
Wow.
And my first Galaxy Note device, by the way. Oh, this is smooth. This is smooth. Not as fingerprinty as I thought it'd be.
No.
Let's power. Oh, it's on the left. You're right. Power this on. I don't know if you can see that, but Note 10. Woo! This feels legendary. AT&T it says on there already. This is different. It says AT&T on there.
That means it was an AT&T phone.
Oh, it was an AT&T phone originally. Welcome! Oh, did it miss it? Look at the display on that. Can you see that? Oh my goodness! 12% battery though.
Guess I'm not how to plug it in underneath.
Better plug it in, but hold on. I need to briefly set this up. You get the charging cable set up. Dingbat's setting up the charging cable thingy, whatever. Okay, next. Add network, okay. You're not allowed to see this. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Not 5G. Look. It's beautiful. Look at the phone. Look at all this color. Look at all this color. So we got the device fully set up and all that stuff. It's charging. Yep. This is my little setup here that I have it for a charge. I have a cable here, and I have the power strip cable into the wall back there. And I have my tote right here for me to lay in and play on my new phone. Look at this. What? You can even see the reflection of my camera. iPhone 13 Pro. But look at this. I mean, just look at this phone. I mean, in the right lighting, it does get kind of fingerprinty. You can see there. But I don't really care about that. Look at this. It's like, I mean, it's 60 hertz, but that's not bad. I really don't care. So, it looks really good. It does. It's like, I mean, it's just crazy. Look at this. Look at the camera. The camera on there. It looks, it's a camera, okay? Put the phone down real quick. Like, there always is an option to buy last year's model instead of, you know, this year's Note 20 Ultra. Well, kind of last year's. They haven't made a Note in a while. You can kind of see it. Really close up Sorry, telephoto. I'm playing with it. Look. Oh, let me get a quick up close shot of this. Da 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 da. So overall, the design, I really like these sharp corners you see there. They look really good in my opinion. If you don't like it, well, don't buy it. I'm gonna sneeze. Look. So, look. It's that camera module and all that stuff. All that stuff on there. Looks good. The reason I didn't get the Plus model is because too big, basically. Plus, we ordered the Plus though, but it gave us the Note 10, which is a good thing. It's charging currently. And another really cool thing about this phone is that it's got a pin. I've never had a Galaxy Note before. You're probably like, what? You suck. Look, already, that slot right there, you see that little bump right there? That's the pin slot. Like, you can kind of, let me get it out real quick. I need to unlock the phone first though. Gotta somehow do it. Hold on. Look, so this is the pin. The pin is really, really good. Nice. It's really cool. Because what you can do with this pin, it's got like air effects. Because there's a little button on there, you can see there. Kind of swipe around like that. Well, on certain apps, you can go to the camera app. And you could literally just take a photo with the pin. It's so cool. I can't really show you that on camera because I'm holding one phone to record, holding another phone, and I have to hold a pin too. I don't have 3 hands. So let me put the pin back in the phone real quick. Ooh. Got it. I got it. Got it back in. Woo! There it is. You can see it right back in there. It looks so good. This is the Aura Glow color. You see the fingerprints on there though. Kinda. It's a little bit fingerprinty, but once again, don't care. The camera's so shaky, I'm so sorry. The video mode is pretty cool too. If I can tap that. And all that stuff. Ultra wide and telephoto and anyway, all that cool stuff. And that is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Well, Note 10. That's the same. What? That's the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. And well, guys, if you enjoyed this video, if you did, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.